Okay, everyone, by now you should be done with this page. Let's go over it together. Before we begin, I want everyone to sit up really, really straight. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Take a deep breath out. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. Once, twice, 3 times. All right, excellent. Now show me 0. Everybody should be silent. Thank you. All right, so let's go over our answers. Please check your own. So, scrolling down for me. Let's see. We already did A and B, so let's look at C. Shortages and surpluses of goods are common problems. You know what a shortage is, not enough of, and surplus means too much of, right? And that would be a command economy. Why? Because sometimes the government doesn't care about supply and demand. They just make what they want to make. D, there's a lot of competition. That would be a market economy. Lots of people selling the same kinds of goods. E, anyone can produce and sell a shirt. Market economy. You don't need the government's permission. You can just do it. F, the price of shirts is set by the government. Easy command. G, there is an overall plan for the national economy created by the government. Again, see the key word, government, command. H, sellers can raise or lower prices whenever they want. That would be a market economy. The key word was seller right here. Again, consumers play a large role in decisions about what to produce. Market economy, those key words, sellers, consumers, buyers, sellers, producers, they should all go with a market economy. J, there is often very little variety in goods since there is no incentive for innovation. Innovation is to make like new things. There's no incentive because it's a command economy. The government is setting what is made, what is produced, who it's for. K, the government does not play a major role in the economy. That would be market. And L, wages for workers are set by the government, command. So hopefully you guys got that all right. If you didn't, please fix that on your paper. Take a look at it and see, how come you didn't get it right? Let's look at some of the key words. Maybe you didn't read it correctly. And that's going to make all the difference on a test, is how well did you read it? How well did you understand the question? All right, and then looking at number 1, again, it said, over the last 50 years, many countries that had a command economy may have moved toward creating a market economy. Why do you think this is true? So you should have an answer that sounds something like this. As the economy gets larger with more people and more goods, it is harder to manage the economy efficiently. People want economic freedom. People want more variety of goods. It is hard to have a command economy when so many countries have market economies, and it is hard to have a command economy in a globalized world. Remember when we talked about culture and cultural diffusion? People want what other people have, and so, yeah, command economy, it's not so easy because people make demands, and what the people want is usually what the people get because money. They're not going to spend their money if they don't get what they want. So go ahead, write a few of these down if you didn't already. And we're moving on to the next part of our lesson today. And I want this to get done by the end of the hour, so you have no time to waste. This is an assessment. Turn to the next page. I'm going to allow you, it says economics open book test, but really it's an open note test. You're allowed to use the notes in this packet to help you answer these questions. You are not, are you listening? You are not allowed to talk to anybody next to you. You're not allowed to ask questions of anybody. The only thing you are allowed to use are your notes. When you are done, you turn your packet over, you make sure your name is on it, you turn your packet over, you wait politely. You can study for another test, you can put your head down, take a nap, read quietly to yourself, but you will not interrupt anybody else until all these packets are collected. If they are talking, our lovely guest teacher is going to put talking at the top of your packet, and you just received a 0. And this time, I'm not letting you come back after school to retake a test. That's ridiculous. You can stay quiet for the rest of the hour. So let's just go over our test really quick. You have matching right here, 1 through 4. You're just going to match the definition with the economic system. A, mixed. B, traditional. C, command. D, free market. And then you have multiple choice. When something that I noticed on your other test, when it says D, all of the above, and you think it's D, all of the above, you only have to circle D. You don't circle more than one answer on a multiple choice question unless it tells you to. So if you have A, B, C, D, E, you only circle one choice. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are all multiple choice. Next page, turn it over. You have another matching, need, want, good, service, production, consumption, economics, and opportunity cost. You're just going to match, put the correct letter on the line provided. I don't want to see any lines. I'm not going to check that. The letter has to be on the line provided. And then it says needs versus wants. 5 points. This means you're going to follow the directions. It says circle all the needs, box all the wants. So you're going to put a circle around a need, and you're going to put a box around a want. Okay? All of them should have either a circle or a box. Nothing should be left blank. Okay, and when you're done with number 9, you have a little journal entry down here. I'm looking for a full paragraph, 4 to 5 sentences. I want detail in this. So your journal entry says, if you could create your own product, what would it be and why? How much would you sell it for? And then I want you to think, why would people want to buy your product? Is it going to help their lives? If so, how, etc. I want details here, people. All right, and that's it. That's your test. It is 80% of your grade. Remember that there is no talking. You are about to begin. Cover your answers. And I wish you the best of luck. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Depends on what the doctor says. If not, you should, you'll have something else to do tomorrow about the economic flow chart. And then we'll start wrapping up the week. I was going to give you a final. It depends on if I'm in tomorrow or not. I probably will give it to you. But it won't be as hard as I usually plan it, just because I haven't been here. So maybe you guys lucked out and I did not. So good luck, everybody. Use your notes. Do the best that you can. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.